Why does your car's engine make a lot of noise or get hot? In this video, I am going to mention the 5 parts that cause your engine to fail, either by lack of cooling, poor lubrication, low oil pressure, or in this case, the wear of the parts, causing loud noise, overheating, and I will also tell you the possible repair. Number 1. The engine bearing. This is one of the most important parts as it prevents excessive wear of the crankshaft and engine block. And the cause of its damage is due to lack of oil. If it does not arrive well, it will begin to create lumps and the friction will be much greater, causing loud noises. And if you do not repair this as soon as possible, the damage to the engine will be disastrous. So you are very attentive in this case of the oil pump and also of the other components, because to change it you have to disassemble the engine. The next failure is the engine gasket or head gasket. This part is located between the cylinder head and the engine block and is a gasket normally made of metal. The main function is to separate, in this case, the oil and coolant liquids so that they do not mix and in this case does not enter the cylinder chamber. It is damaged mostly by the cooling in the engine, causing overheating. This is the main part that is damaged. If this happens, you will have to disassemble the top of the engine and you can change the gasket and check the worn parts. We continue with the next failure, which is the piston rod. This is damaged by deformation or bending due to water entering the cylinders, and in doing so causes loud noises. This is very complex to repair because the engine has to be disassembled. The fourth failure that causes a lot of noise is the engine oil pump. It is a key piece for the lubrication of the engine, because thanks to it you can reach all the internal components so that it does not generate any friction and there is no problem or noise when you are working the car. It can damage in the following ways. First, by lack of oil. We have to know that the oil must be changed every so often to maintain the engine maintenance, and this avoids clogging the oil pump. The other way is by the wear and tear of daily use. It starts to fail and then you have to repair it, or in this case buy a new one. To disassemble it, you only have to remove the engine cover and access underneath the pump. The next failure is the aiming or dever. This part is located in the upper part of the engine, mostly under the camshafts. This will depend on the type of car you have. These parts can usually be mechanical or hydraulic. This can cause loud noise if they are not adjusted in the correct way and if not changed in the correct way. Severe damage to the engine head can occur. To make the change, you must remove the timing part of the engine camshafts and so you can change it. If you like the video, support me with a like, subscribe to the channel and comment any questions below. I will be answering.